Somebody screamed, oh, Jim Jeffries' dreams explode into a black fist. He falls to the floor. He stares up at the sky. He may wish he knew why, but you can't go back there, no, no, no more. The future sounds so crazy. We've all heard this song before. Yeah, tomorrow's the name we change from yesterday to blame. When the train just don't stop here anymore. I got starry-eyed on the coaster ride, and he said, man, I'm gonna break the world outside. Cause these days my life just careens through a pinball machine. I could do so much better. I can't get off the tilt. And there's a photograph on the TV. It's black and white, and he says something to you. Man, that's Jack Johnson straddling Reno, Nevada. Like she said, I forget myself sometimes too. But out past the doorways where we are sleeping, will the white queen scream and the tomcats beat, and I'm not breaking, the train's just shaking. Never made it here before. There's a wild mouse spinning the girl around till they can't take it anymore. Will you dream in the dark, Palisades far, up over the cliffs and down among the stars? It's a long night, a long night, but it's not what I was looking for. Everybody's seen horses darting down the shore. It's a miracle they don't make them do it anymore. So wake up, ladies. Wake up, baby. You walk into the bar like some Saturday star, stud straight on spiked heels and needles and nerves. And you're downtown pride, fully amplified Clyde, chin-tight and aging both well preserved. Remember Andy outside your bedroom window saying, come on, man, let's just drive off to the Palisades and keep going till we hit Reno, Nevada. I don't think Andy all that much these days. Still, there are pages in back of the action stacks where the white queen scream and the tomcat beat and the train not breaking, the track just shaking. Never made it here before. There's a skyrocket turning further so lovely and white, man. You couldn't lose anyone. Hey, man, have you seen Andy? 'Cause I don't know where she's going, but I know that real love outlives teenage lust. It could get wet, and it keeps us warm. Love is like angel dust, lovely sometimes changes us. Sometimes have you been aching to trust or just have you been waking yourself with lust? Have you been making us up or just taking us home? It's a long wait and a long wait. Cars frozen in flight. All the traffic stops to stare at a crosswalk in Reno, Nevada, where nothing but air and a pair of gray paper rings. And he thinks, man, I got nothing to wear. We 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 got nothing to wear. When I pick up belly of a black winged bird. Don't try to believe me. I've been there before, and I deserve a little more. That's my friend Jim Dog. That's my friend Miller. I'm Miller's friend Adam. That's my friend Charlie. That's my friend Emmer. And that is my pal Dave. Y'all are in for a great night. Because my friend Rob and his guys are coming up here in a second. And you're going to have a hell of a time. Enjoy Matchbox Tony. We'll see you next time. Good night, everybody.